Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage down at Portishead. Just been in the St Peter's Hospice superstore. It is enormous in there. They don't have very much of the sort of stuff I like though, although I did buy a clock. Hi guys, this is the clock that I bought in the charity shop today at Portishead. Actim. Now it should be one of those radio controlled clocks. 1 AA battery, cost me £3.50. You may know that I told myself I would stop buying clocks because I have rather a lot and I'm going to sort through them and send most of them to charity shops. So I had a bit of a problem telling Nanny that I'd bought this one, but it's because it's one of these radio controlled ones, which means I don't have to keep resetting the time on it. So we'll put a battery on it and see if it sets the time. I could read the instructions, or we could just trust the luck, because it ought to just set itself. We've got some buttons there. Oh, there's no instructions in there. Oh, all right, so we won't be reading the instructions. But it does look like it's driving itself. The correct time is just coming up to 8 o'clock at night. It's just a matter of whether it zeroes itself first, goes all the way back to 12, or whether it will actually recognise it's nearly there and stop at the correct time. Right, I think it's going to drive itself all the way back to 12 before it starts. Oh, well, I might fast forward this. I'll probably have a look online, see if I can actually get the instructions for it. Right, zeroed itself. So now it'll be waiting for the time signal. It looks like it's found the signal and it's setting the time right now. By the time it's done that, it'll probably be about 8:05. And there we go. I was right, about 8:05. Well, I'm rather pleased. £3.50 is a good price for one of them. Now I've got to decide where I'm going to put it. Just for reference, these are some of the clocks that are going to have to go. In fact, I'll keep the ones with Grandad's logo on them. There's more downstairs. I just thought I'd show these because they're all together in my workroom and obviously don't get looked at because they're all dead, or nearly all of them are dead. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.